Madrid is probably one of the most talented teams, probably all of Europe, like you said, and definitely probably one or two in the Spanish league as far as talent. So it's definitely a big game. You just want to go out there and you don't really want to change your mindset. You want to treat it like any other game, but you know that playing against a good team, an experienced team, and a talented team like Madrid, that you have to play the best. I haven't been here for the past history of the games, but going into every game, you look at it as you just go out there and you compete and you try to execute and try to play to the best of your ability. And I feel like we have enough talent on our team that if we go out there and we play to our ability and play to the level that we can play at, I think we'll have a chance to win. And I think when you play against a great team like Real Madrid, that's all you can really ask for, is just give yourself an opportunity, maybe in the last 3 or 4 minutes of the game, to have it a 1 or 2 possession game that you actually have a chance to win. So I think that's what we've been preparing for all week, and I think that's our mentality going in, to just compete hard and play hard, and hopefully we can make enough shots that we can make it a game going down the stretch. I didn't expect that. Just coming here with the injury and being away, only playing 10 games the previous year, I didn't really have any expectations. I just wanted to get back on the floor and get back to playing basketball at a high level, and just the course of just rehabbing and getting back in better shape as far as my body and game shape. I've been able to perform well. So there's a lot that goes into that process, and we still have 2 more months left in the season. So I'll continue to work and continue to try to improve, and hopefully I'll be able to maintain that level, if not play better. It's not about me scoring a lot of points or whatever the case may be. It's about me as a basketball player just making the right decision. Real Madrid may play an aggressive defense on me, and they may not allow me to score a lot of points. I might have to pass the ball and maybe get 7, 8, 9, or 10 assists, or whatever the case may be. So as a player, you kind of take what the defense gives you. If their opportunities presents itself, hopefully I'll be able to capitalize on them by putting the ball in the basket. But I'm not going into a game against Madrid or any other team with the mentality that I want to score a whole bunch of points. I just want to play the correct way, and hopefully in the process of playing the correct way, I can help my team win. I would like to say, that I could do more. I think just as a scorer and being aggressive, I think I don't really look at the points. I just look at the efficiency. Being able to be the primary focus of the opponent's, basically defense, and still be able to shoot as a guard. I think over 50 or 55%. I think that's just efficient, and I think maybe the points, won't increase or won't stay at 30. But I think my goal as an offensive player, especially one who dominates the ball as much as I do, is just to be as efficient as I can be. Well, Paul's doing great. When you come into a new environment, a new team, of course, certain things that you have to learn. But Paul has a great basketball IQ, and he really knows how to play, and he can really shoot the ball. So I think it's just, once he gets comfortable, I think he's really going to help us.